Hey everyone, looking to make over $200 a day from the comfort of your own home? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into realistic remote jobs that pay well, and you can start right away. These jobs are perfect for anyone looking to earn a substantial income without the hassle of commuting. So, let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with virtual customer support. This is a fantastic option for those who enjoy helping others and have good communication skills. Companies everywhere need customer support, and many are hiring remotely. You can work for tech companies, retail businesses, or even healthcare providers. You get to help customers with their issues all from your couch. Plus, many companies offer flexible hours so you can work around your schedule. Sites like remote.co and FlexJobs are great places to find these gigs. Next up, online bookkeeping. If you have a knack for numbers and enjoy working with financial data, this could be a lucrative option for you. If you're good with numbers, this one's for you. Many small businesses need bookkeepers, and they're willing to pay well for your expertise. You can manage financial records, prepare invoices, and even handle payroll. It's a role that offers a lot of responsibility and trust. Platforms like Upwork and Belay can connect you with clients looking for your skills. You can build a steady stream of income by taking on multiple clients. Now here's one you might not have thought of. Remote content editing. This job is perfect for those who have a keen eye for detail and a love for reading and writing. If you have a good eye for detail and a love reading, this could be a perfect fit. Editors are in high demand for blogs, ebooks, and websites. You can help improve the quality of content, ensuring it's error-free and engaging. It's a rewarding job that allows you to work on a variety of projects. Check out sites like Scribendi and Readsy to get started. These platforms connect you with authors and businesses in need of your editing skills. Another great option is virtual tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge and help students succeed. Whether you're a math whiz or a language guru, there are students all over the world who need your help. You can tutor students of all ages, from elementary school to college. Websites like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors offer flexible hours and great pay. You can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. And here's a fun one: social media management. If you're always on social media, why not get paid for it? This job is perfect for those who are creative and tech savvy. If you're always on social media, why not get paid for it? Businesses need people to manage their social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers. Businesses need people to manage their social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers. You can help build a brand's online presence and connect with their audience. Look at sites like Hootsuite and SocialBee for job listings. These platforms offer tools and resources to help you succeed in your role. But how do you land these jobs? It all starts with a strong application. First, polish up your resume. Make sure it highlights your relevant skills and experiences. Tailor it to each job you apply for. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Use keywords from the job description to make your resume stand out. Then, tailor your cover letter for each job. Show that you've done your homework. Mention specific details about the company and how you can contribute to their success. And don't forget to network. Building connections can open doors to new opportunities. Join online forums and LinkedIn groups related to your field. Engage in discussions, share your knowledge, and learn from others. To wrap it all up, here are some quick tips to get started. Set up a quiet, dedicated workspace at home. This will help you stay focused and productive. Make sure it's free from distractions and has everything you need to work efficiently. Invest in a good computer and reliable internet. This is crucial for any remote job, as you'll need to stay connected and work smoothly. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. Use tools like planners, calendars, and task management apps to keep track of your work. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making the most of your skills. Don't be afraid to try different jobs until you find the perfect fit. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into these opportunities and start making that $200 a day. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below with your honest opinion. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your remote job journey. Remember, the key to success is persistence and continuous learning. Keep pushing forward, and you'll reach your goals.